I am Rohit. In today's video, we will be learning the design of tension member. So, we will be learning the design steps first. The IS code which we are utilizing for the design of tension member is IS 800-2007. The first step for the design is write down the given data. The given data includes load, number of bolt, diameter of the bolt. Then from this given data, we need to calculate the edge distance, pitch distance, gauge distance as per the requirement. Second step for the design is to calculate the gross section strength. It is calculated from clause number 6.2, page number 32. The TDG is equals to AG into Fy divided by gamma m0. Gamma m0 is calculated from table number 5, page number 30, and the value of gamma m0 is 1.1. The third step is to calculate the design strength due to the rupture of the critical section. The clause number which is utilized is 6.3, page number 32. The formula for the TDN is equals to 0.9 into ANC divided by gamma m1 into Fu plus beta into AGO into Fy divided by gamma m0. Now the question is about the areas which is mentioned in the formula. For the bolted, ANC is, that is the net area in the connection. So it is calculated by L1 minus D0 minus T by 2 into T, and AGO is L2 into T by 2 into T, where L1 and L2 are the leg length of the angle section. Whereas for the welded connection, ANC is equals to L1 minus T by 2 into T, and AGO is equals to, that is gross area of the section, AGO is equals to L2 minus T by 2 into T, and beta is equals to 1.4 minus 0.76 into W by T into Fy by Fu into Bs upon LC, where Bs is equals to W plus W1 minus T, and it is calculated from the clause number 6.3.3, which is available on page number 33. So this is the sample diagram with numerical values which is showing the L1, L2, thickness of the angle section. So L1 is the length of the connected leg, L2 is the length of the unconnected leg, E is edge distance, P is pitch distance, then W1 is the distance of center of the bolt up to the bottom of the angle, and W is the length of the unconnected leg, and hence our formula for Bs is equals to W plus W1 minus T, and LC, that is length in the connection, is equals to P into bracket N minus 1. N is number of bolts. The next step of our design is design strength due to the block shear, calculated by clause number 6.4.1, page 33. It is divided into two parts, TDB1 and TDB2. TDB1 is AVG into Fy divided by root 3 gamma m0. It is because of shear in the bolt, and 0.9 ATN Fu divided by gamma m1 because of the tension. Similarly, TDB2 is equals to 0.9 AVN into Fu divided by root 3 gamma m1 because of shear, and ATG into Fy divided by gamma m0, where AVG and AVN are minimum gross and net area in the shear, and ATG and ATN are minimum gross and net area in the tension. Now the formula for AVG is LS into T, LS and AVN is equals to Ls minus N minus 1 by 2 into D naught into T. whereas ATG is equals to L2 into T and ATN is equals to LT minus 1 half of D0 into T. Now from this we will be getting the minimum value of TDB1 and TDB2, that will be our block shear value, and then the design strength of a member is minimum of TDG or TDN or TDP, and the last step will be TD, that is design strength, it should be greater than the given loading.